ভাদ্র মাসে কাটিলাম সুতা, আশ্বিন মাসের পয়লাতে, বার কাছে তাতিয়া ভাইরে শাড়ি খান বুনে দে।
Bangladesh's weaving industry has a long history. Tangail district carries on historical custom just like other areas of Bangladesh. This industry is connected to the national culture, and one of the carriers of our tradition is the weaving business. Additionally, it is the nation's biggest cottage industry. One of the major contributors to that industry is the handloom sector in Tangail area. The talented craft people of Tangail have been producing various sorts of clothes for years. In addition, garments are made with thread. Cotton is used to make yarn. Here, cotton was spun to create bapta, hanam, and other pachmishali garments. Moreover, Tangail's textile industry, specifically its weaving industry, is mentioned in the travelogues of illustrious travelers Ibn Battuta and Hounstang. Chundi Dilduar of Tangail, a well-known center for handloom goods, the handloom business expresses how the Indian garments have captured our local market due to their cheap price.
আগে তো আমরা এক সময় দেখা যায় যে নরদ থেকে কাপড় মানে কাপড় মার দিচ্ছি, ভিজা কাপড় সেল দিয়ে দিচ্ছে, খুব চাইতেছে, কিন্তু এখন তো তাপ অনেক হয়ে গেছে, আগে তো তাপ কম ছিল।
Although Tat